Here's how to create a professional text design where your letters are filled with a background image using this simple Canva hack. Start by placing a black rectangle on your page and adding your text over it. Set the text color to black so it disappears, then apply a thick white outline effect to the text. Download this outline text design as a PNG file. Clear your canvas and then upload the images, the PNG text file you just created and the background photo you want to fill the text with. Next, go to the Apps section and open the Blend Image app. Inside the app, set your text PNG as the bottom layer and your background photo as the top layer. Change the blend mode to screen and apply the result to your design.